Hi, I'm Professor Yogi Agravat, the Chairperson of PGDM in Data Science and Analytics at Narayana Business School. In today's data-driven world, every business decision begins and succeeds with data. At Narayana Business School, we prepare you to not just understand data, but to command it. The PGDM in Data Science and Analytics is where management meets machine learning and insights meets innovation. This 2-year, 6-trimester program is designed for the new generation of techno-managers, professionals who think strategically, analyze intelligently, and lead confidently in the era of artificial intelligence. At NBS, data science isn't just a coding skill. It's the new language of business. You learn to translate data into strategy and analytics into decisions that shape the future. The curriculum fuses AI, technology, and management, integrating the most in-demand tools like Python, Power BI, Hadoop, Spark, machine learning, NLP, cloud computing, neural networks, and IoT. You will master end-to-end analytics from data extraction and visualization to predictive modeling and business intelligence. Learning at NBS goes beyond the classrooms. You will engage in real-world projects, hackathons, capstone projects, and live data labs that challenge you to solve industry problems using real data sets. Through corporate internships and industry mentorship, you will gain hands-on experience in analytics applications across finance, marketing, operations, and HR domains. Guiding you on this journey is an exceptional faculty team, over 60 experts combining 870 plus years of corporate and academic experience. With 670 plus recruiting partners and a strong network of 9,800 plus alumni across industries and continents, NBS ensures every student is industry ready from day one. PGDM in Data Science and Analytics, you will step into roles such as data scientists, business analysts, AI specialists, product managers, and tech-driven leaders across diverse sectors. You will not just graduate with a PGDM. You will graduate with a portfolio that reflects your skills, impact, and readiness for the future. In a world where artificial intelligence is reshaping industries, the leaders of tomorrow are those who bridge technology with business intelligence. Step into the future, step into Narayana Business School, where AI, technology, and leadership converge to create tomorrow's data-driven changemakers.